Wagwan, my people. Wagwan, people. We in problem. We in trouble. You hear that? And I couldn't know this. We in trouble. My viewers and my people. Prime Minister come out the other day and the man make a speech. The man said, yo, starting next month, you start our effect of way. We are going to start spending Jaja no star digital currency. Digital money we all start spending with viewers and subscribers, my people. You understand what I say? Jamaica not ready for this yet, my viewers and subscribers. My viewers, I want to listen with this money I say. Right? Listen with this money I say, my viewers. Yeah man, take you know what I say. Jaja no, serve for the people. Yeah man.
A fully digital society.
Mr. Sellout Boy Honest, what is the rush? May I ask you why the rush to make Jamaican run up in the currency business now? Digital currency, what's the rush? People, I want to fully understand what will happen. You see all them people that will make their money in the market and I report how much money they make. When it got to digital currency, they go see exactly how much money you make. You see all the bag juice man and the man where sell the mask on the street, one can get to the local cash when time on the sell and put it on the back pocket. You know everything have to go run on digital currency. People who can't afford internet, how you go check for your money when it's in a digital form? You see, this is a way for the government to control you, and me feel like I wake up in our dream because some things will happen in foreign. Me never expect them to happen in a Jamaica. It's all about the one world order, people. Me used to hear people talk about the one world order and me be like, Jesus Christ, them mad. What the hell them a talk about? But you see, when you start read people, when you start read, you will fully understand what happened. Digital currency is a step in the one world order. Every country have to depend the same accord for the one world order to work. And the digital currency is a way for them to track you fast in your business. And when time you don't want do what they tell you to do, them freeze your money, them put a block on your money, them are going to tell you where you can buy and where you can't buy. If you fly out 6 times, them are going to say, mate, when you reach in a quarter, I don't want to fly out so much and put a block on the money. It's all about control, people. And me I tell you, said our generation, the voting generation, anybody who old enough to vote, please be mindful who you're going to vote for the next election. Because if they're not for the people of Jamaica, you should not elect them. No matter about say your family a PMP and them a JLP and this and that and blah blah blah. Come on, it's a new age. Free thinkers. Jamaica need free thinkers. Stop being in the box. Realize what's happening. Every time foreign nation shit, Jamaica government run with the bucket, 5 gallon bucket at the other end of the pipe, collect the shit and spread it to Jamaican people. Come on, people. We're smarter than that. We are smarter than that.
Yeah man, my viewers, I eat that. When you hear the Prime Minister, when you hear me say digital currency or spend digital money, that's not good for Jamaica people and that's not ready for Jamaica yet. Yeah, that's why I say Jamaica not ready for this yet. Yes, I say people, but anyway viewers and things, I have another video for you with this young girl. You understand what I say? She talk some positive things. This what I say, right? She talk about the digital currency what the Prime Minister bring to we the people in the country. Right? People are suffering, viewers. Yeah man, listen to this young girl, people. Yeah man, positive talk from her.
Yes, the person I say, leave the Prime Minister out of your damn mouth, save on your damn self. Meaning, I'm not business about the Prime Minister, I'm not chatting, I'm not judging nobody, I don't care. If you want to talk to the devil and if you want to talk to God, that is your business. Let me tell you what me care about. I care about what him not care about. I care about everybody in Jamaica. You understand? Now let me teach you something. Yesterday is your Prime Minister, yeah? That is what I said. Don't leave the Prime Minister out of your damn mouth. May I ask you a question? The Prime Minister help the mad people them get better? Because all them inject the mad people them, I not see them get better, them just get worse. The Prime Minister help the poor people them. May I ask you a question? What we get? What we get? You know, sister, we are suffer. Them a use the tax money, a eat, a enjoy life. Them a fly out with the tax money. Them a buy car with the tax money. Check how much tax money that. How much people in a Jamaica can check much tax money that can buy more than 7 car. It may try show and not use on the head. When you focus on Prime Minister and Prime Minister don't focus on you. When you might help on win. When you not help with nothing, you know what is Prime Minister? Prime Minister is somebody who get together and know what harm the people them and not to do. Or you have to be prime minister and bring in digital currency. Or you're supposed to bring digital currency in Jamaica without the citizens' permission at hand. Look at that now. You can know says even it's a coming because first of all, when since you stop discuss things with citizens, I make the citizens know what go on. When since you stop telling from citizens. So if you stop telling from citizens, citizens need to stop telling from government now because we have our own mind right now. And the government can't control that. And we control our own mind, so we need to put a stand. We need to get together and stop think about government and think about yourself because they're not helping us. We have to help ourselves. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Are you busy about government? Me not business about government. My business about your pure little soul. Because all this, I tell myself, leave the prime minister out of your damn mouth, save on the damn self. That is not you. That is just the vessel talking. That is just the physical body. Warm to your soul. Your soul not saying nothing to me. Because your soul lost. So that me there so for try save on the soul. I don't business about uno and on the physical body. I care about on the soul. Because on the soul are the surface part of you and that you don't need for control and that you don't need for getting her. You understand me? So you start talk about government and start talk about yourself. You understand me? Because all them do a kill we have. Them not better our life, them not help we. We have to help ourselves. We not see no help from no government. Me talk about every single government. There is no government that is helping us. Some of those who you talk about, him not help, him not put no money in our pocket, him not feed we. Them just bring we down and broke we down and make we poorer each day.
Viewers and the people, and the ear what go on. And the ear what go on, my viewers and the people. Let me tell you something, people. You know what go on? It's a once to not spend the digital currency. It will limit it to certain place. You can't left from town and go Portmore, go buy nothing. Yes, man say, you can't left from Kingston here and go Montego Bay, go buy nothing. The money are limited, they will control the money. You understand what I say? People are going to suffer, you know. Yes, man say, and more crime we're going to have in our country, you know. You understand what I say? And man not going to rap for money again, man not going to joke you for money again, people. You understand what I say? And your food where you buy and thing where other people can't afford to buy and thing, people. Man are going to jam on and take on food from you. This man say, someone are going to dress up and left on the yard and thing and go back home naked. Me telling the people, this man say, this are going to bring, hey, me tell you something, man. Jamaica going to turn upside down. This man say, well, our whole heap of people are going to suffer and need this. Jamaica not ready for this, people. Jamaica not ready for this. And everybody educated in Jamaica, right? And that man couldn't know, right? And what this a prime minister here do? You know, see, man sell we out. The man sell we out, people. Man sell out in every way, people. You can tell this, it's gonna affect everybody. You might tell them, no, not everybody. It's my say the high society people. I don't think it affect them. You understand what I say? But in a way, it must affect them. You understand what I say? Right? Because look at it, people. Your money are limited that way. That's you can't live in town and a Spanish town go buy something. You understand what I say? Right? I saw a thing I said. We don't have freedom with the money. We don't have no more freedom. People, I can't even know. I tell the people. Look at that. And more crime I go in our country. That man, I can't know. Please subscribe and like and share this video. People, up. Yeah, man.